We decided to switch things up a little bit this year with the water system for our vegetable garden. Last year I tried painting our smaller tank, but unfortunately it cracked and flaked and nothing could quite stick to the plastic tank. So we decided we would get a new tank, a larger tank that is black already. So we got to clear the area, and I'm going to make kind of a wooden foundation for it, a riser, almost like a garden bed for it to sit on. That way it's up off the ground a little bit. It's going to be a great addition for this area. So let's get started. We got the box finally in place, and then maybe tomorrow we can start to fill it with dirt every few inches, tamping it quite a bit so that it's very packed and the tank doesn't sink, and then we can look at how we're going to install our valves. I've got the tank on, we've got the base made, everything is packed down. Cohen helped me out with that. And now we got to look at our underground drip system hookup and our valving and the pressure tank as well. So we've got the project done. We've got our timer hooked up. We've moved along here a few weeks, just been raining a bit and been hard to get at the project, but we finally got her. This is our north zone in the vegetable garden. This is our south zone in the vegetable garden. And then this is our expansion, kind of going out to the berry bush. This is just a general hose you can access, always constantly under pressure with 100 feet of line, so just very useful as well. But that's the system. Turned out really well. We're very happy with it. And I think this area is starting to look great. And this water will help everything grow.